Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Kultha saru, or kulit is horse gram and saru is rasam. So how to prepare Kultha saru or horse gram rasam. Now Kultha saru is usually had along with the rice in place of dali toy. This is a soother for throat infection when had hot, or you can have it adding buttermilk, and it acts as a rejuvenating tonic after working for long hours in the sun. It is also good for people with sinusitis. Now coming to the ingredients. For the masolu or the ground paste, you need 1 tablespoon horse gram, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies or as per your spiciness level, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, a marble size of tamarind. Then for seasoning you need mustard, cumin seeds and curry leaves, and for garnishing you can go for coriander leaves. So these are the ingredients, and what you have to do is you have to dry roast the horse gram, peppercorns, coriander seeds, grated coconut and red chilies separately. After dry roasting, transfer everything to a mixer jar. Add tamarind. Grind to a fine paste, adding water. Transfer the masolu or the ground paste to a vessel and add water and make it the usual rasam consistency. Add salt and boil it. Then do the seasoning. For this, heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over the rasam. Mix well and garnish with coriander leaves. Your kultha saru is ready to be prepared. Serve it hot with rice. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.